Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, a big warm welcome. My name is Tristan Mortlock, this is Captain Vlog. Today I'm going to show you how we dock a super yacht in Monaco. We're currently just passing Cap Ferrari. There it is there. That's Ez over there. And then we've got Monaco coming up straight ahead. And then so I'm going to show you the entire process of calling up the port and then finally going in, docking, and finally tying up. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Monaco Port, Monaco Port. So this is Motor Yacht AWOL on channel 12. Yes, very good morning to you, Monaco Port, Motor Yacht AWOL. We are just approaching the entrance to the port, requesting permission to enter to the berth.
Okay, clear, you can proceed with
Monaco Port from AWOL, copy that, thank you very much. Proceeding in. So guys, what I'm doing here, I've got both engines, port and starboard, got the bow thrust activated, and this is the rudder. So as we come into the port, we've got a 4 knot speed limit, currently doing 6 knots. We got authorization from the port to proceed in. Making our way nice and slow now. Yes.
It's very evident. But in the mast I've got a bit of smoke. I don't know if it's from the galley.
It's from the galley. It was pumping out the side here as well. Let's keep this monitored. Someone started to monitor me. Copy. Morning, bonjour. Anglais? English? Good morning. What, the San Lorenzo? To the... Okay. 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 Perfect. Yeah.
And your tender is already on there. So
thank you.
perfect.
Okay, now spin the rudder over to port, starboard engine ahead, port astern to rotate the vessel. I'm going to rotate about 90 degrees. I know you're going in that spot just over there next to that little San Lorenzo. So as we spin around, line up with the dock, I'm going to put the rudders into midships.
starboard side?
I'm on starboard side, yeah.
Copy, yours here is stern at the moment. Looking, keep coming back on that line.
So, James, we're going to be on the port side at San Lorenzo, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
So I have no visibility on port side or stern, so let me know when I see start swinging the stern towards the port.
That's our port quarter in line with the bow of the San Lorenzo.
Okay, so I need to start swinging around now, yeah?
Yeah, you can start swinging. Need to come around a bit more still. Come around a bit more. Alright, you can start coming back on that, Tristan.
Sorry? No, that's alright. I can see now. It's okay, bar, I can see now. I know where we're going.
Copy.
Just to clarify, they want us, I believe they want us right on the port side of the San Lorenzo, is that correct?
Just double check with the guys. Tristan, apparently it's only one place, so we can go bang smack in the middle.
Okay, copy, thank you. The best is now aligned, was going completely stern to.
You're drifting a bit to port side. Come over a bit to starboard. We're just here at the ground line of the boat on our port side. That's in line with the bow of the boat on the port side. Lineup is good, keep coming back on that. Tristan, can you slow it down, please? Okay, Tristan, can you hold him there, please?
Okay guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you haven't done already, please do subscribe, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I'll give you guys an insight on what it's like to dock a super yacht here in Monaco. So all very cool, calm, collected, good communication with Jason on the stern, good communication with Barbara on the bow, nice and smooth. Had a bit of wind today, we had 15 knots on the nose, as you can see. So it was a bit quicker than usual to build up momentum so we don't lose the bow. And yeah, happy with that result. So guys, until next time, it's ciao for now.